Hello, in front of me I have VIVO X300 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on this device. Alright, as you can see, my WhatsApp is downloaded. I just installed it like 10 seconds ago. But before we open it up, let's open up our settings. And as you scroll down, find Google. And in here, make sure that you're logged into the same Google account and that you have selected when you are creating your backup in WhatsApp, of course, because if you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't be able to restore your chats. So simply make sure that the Google account is proper. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. In here, select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can allow to send us notifications, and now in that place we need to type our phone number. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click on What's my number, the sentence right in here, then click on Continue and click on Allow. And as you can see, my number has been automatically copied. Now click on Next. Also, we need to verify our phone number. Click on Yes. Using one of the two methods. We have the code from the SMS message, or we can use the missed call function. As you take a look, currently the missed call is selected. If you want to verify using the code, you simply click on Verify another way. In my case, I always recommend using the missed call because for me it is just more comfortable. Then click on Continue, click on Allow. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, automatically verifying, verified. And now, when we have contacts and media, we need to click on Continue. Now click on Allow, Allow, and Allow All. Okay, and now select Restore from Backup. Click on Continue. And now, as you can see, the process has started. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, 12 messages restored. Above you can see the account from which we were restoring our chats, and that's the same Google account that I have shown you in the settings before. Okay, now click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change your profile photo if you are interested. Then click on Next. Okay, we are ready to use our WhatsApp. Now I will show you that everything has been successfully restored, including videos, photos, and normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.